Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to share with you the Pleased as Punch designer series paper. This is one of the celebration coordination items that Stampin' Up! Has released, and this is while supplies last or until March 31st. So you definitely want to get your hands on this beautiful paper, which I think just screams spring with those fabulous pastel colors. I'm loving it. You'll also notice that a lot of the images coordinate with our punches, which is why it's called Pleased as Punch. Of course, this one matches the heart punches in the 2020 mini catalog. This one matches the umbrella builder punch. This one matches the tulip builder punch. You can see they're tulips. And this one matches the celebration bloom punch. So how exciting is that to have coordinating punches to punch out the designer series paper with all of the fabulous looks that it is. Now the back side of each of these pieces is all of these more solid prints. Well, I can't really say that's solid because it's stripes, but more, it's not an actual punch image. It's more of a larger pattern. And I love how this is like April showers, bring May flowers. Like, how fabulous is that? It's so amazing, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go through the full sheet of these so that you can see exactly what it looks like, and let me know which one your favorite is in the comments below as you go through each one. Okay, so have you picked out your favorite one? I think my favorite one has to be these flowers here, because you know I'm a flower girl, but I also super love those raindrops. I don't know why, they just look so fun and fabulous. So I'm excited about those. But again, I just love the pastels. I think pastels just scream spring, and I can't wait till spring because it's my favorite season. Yeah, I'm just super loving this entire package. You also get 3 sheets of each of the 4 designs for a total of 12 sheets of designer series paper. How awesome is that? That means you can use one side, the other side, and then you can argue over which side you want to use with the 3rd piece. So it's super, super fun. You can also do one sheet wonders with it. Let me know what your favorite one is in the comments below. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for other fabulous designer series paper reveals, as well as projects using these beautiful papers. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.